Say, okay, here's Mom and the babies playing and being silly. So as you can see, they are definitely a lot more active now. Mama's getting tired of them nursing. She's trying to tell them in a nice way to stop it. But they're like, come on, Mom. And the little girl, she's the feistiest one right there. She just constantly isn't going to give it up. That's the biggest little boy. And the littlest boy has a little blue collar on. So if you see the little blue one, Judy, that one's yours. Joan, the bigger one's yours. The little darker color one is the little girl, Gina. So you know that's her. Come over here. She's checking out everything. See, everybody's checking out stuff and playing now and just checking out the world. So there you see, starting to play, be regular puppies.